Hey everybody, this is Dashboard. I'm Rob, and in this video I just want to show a little bit about the care and maintenance that I recommend for your ExpanDogs, which is a little product we developed to help attaching things to surfaces with 20mm holes. We use them on the fence blocks, which are what you see on this fence here, to connect them to the bench or to the track stars, which are back here. Also with our parallel guides. And it's simply an expanding mechanism that has a couple of parts, and you just drop that in a 20mm hole, tighten the knob. It holds position securely, so you can mount fences and parallel guides wherever you want, loosen the knob, and it comes back out. Now, it's a good idea to put some lubrication in here to ensure a smooth operation. If you do this, you will have a quicker activation and deactivation when you want to put them in and take them out of a hole. So I'm not a grease expert, but I've been using this with great success. It's a white lithium grease. Use whatever you're comfortable using, but that works well for me. So now I'll just show how I recommend applying it to the mechanism. Okay, I'll use this fence block as an example, and it's very simple. Just loosen the studs so that the bottom section comes off. That's a cup and a cone, 2 pieces. And I wouldn't even pull the stud out of here, because otherwise you might leave some of the grease inside the hole, and that's not what we want. Make sure that washer stays on there. Now, so I'll just leave this in here. A little bit of grease is all you need. And I'm just going to put a little smear of that on there. See, not very much. That's all it takes. Any more is just going to be wasted and make a mess, and nobody needs that. So then simply spin the cup and cone back on, and that lubrication will get spread around on the relevant threads, but not otherwise, and you'll be ready to go. So now you'll realize a nice smoother action, a quicker action, and it'll be all smiles. So that's what I recommend. Thanks for watching.